My greetings to all the parents of Bharatam, who I am one way or the other attached to. Summer vacation has begun. It's a Sunday. I was sitting and children were weighing on my mind, so I thought I must reach you. Before you listen to this video, please pay heed to one or two sentences so that you are comfortable. This video is absolutely extempore, without any preparation. I have not written anything at all anywhere. It will be long, maybe half an hour, maybe 25 minutes, or maybe a little more, because vacations are also long. So you'll have to bear with me, and if as parents you don't find time, or you find it lousy, boring, then I should be ashamed that I am not a parent there of your children, which you are, and I am taking time out for them, and you feel that it's too long or it's not required. Always remember a veteran cricketer like Sunil Gavaskar or Kapil Dev, or Vishwanathan Anand in chess, or PV Sindhu in badminton, or A.R. Rahman in music, or Dilip Kumar or Amitabh Bachchan in movies. They are the veterans of their field, and any person, even if you have given 30, 35 years or 20 years to your industry, so you'll be eloquent. That goes without saying that if I have given such a long period of time to education, I must be having some inputs which will be of tremendous use to you. 30 days. It's a very long time to utilize or to waste it. Utilization of time or wasting of time is not in the hands of your child. It's in your hands. You are very busy, I know. Indians are very busy. Look at the railway fataks and all that. How we people are under the barrier, over the barrier, whichever way we can jump over. And if you ask anybody at the barrier, where are you going? Where do you have to go? Nowhere. At home or just to buy fruits. But we are always busy. And because we are the worst lawbreakers all around. Anyone, all Indians, me also, you also. Thus don't be in a hurry. And if the video is long, you can very comfortably preserve it, listen to it as and when you are free. Hope I am articulate. Hope my words are reaching you. If anywhere my throat gives way, I'll be having water. I'll be keeping some lozenges in the mouth. Please bear with me. I start. The name of my video is Homework with a Difference. Homework with a Difference. Almost a week has gone into this homework, and different teachers have been deputed with different jobs. Every day for all these 30 days, my team of teachers will be bringing you wonderful fact through the videos. From tomorrow it will begin. You will see somebody will be talking on Martin Luther King, somebody will be talking on kidneys, someone will be talking on pulmonology, someone will be talking on ophthalmology, someone will be talking on the functioning of the heart, someone will tell you about Khajuraho, about Ajanta Ellora, about the Taj Mahal, about the virus, means Pacific Ocean, Arabian Sea. We have tried that we must make the facts very interesting for your kids. And mind you, repeatedly the faculty has been told that the video must never exceed 2 to 3 minutes. Inderjeet will be coming to you with biology, facts of the human body, which till date, how much sugar is required, how much is the correct BP, what is the pulse rate, how are the kidneys working like a sieve, percolating the water or the liquid that gets into the body. We have discussed, we have planned it so well. make sure that for these videos, which will be intact with you, you give your children time to listen to them, and you yourself also listen to those videos. See, here comes a short story that comes to my mind. A lady took her son to a Babaji, a sage or a saint. Babaji, my son is very badly sugar addicted. You all must have listened to this beautiful story, heard this beautiful story. Babaji, please do something. All the time he needs sugar around. Babaji said, okay, today is Tuesday, next Tuesday and thereafter, means after a fortnight, bring him back to me and I'll do something. She came again after the stipulated time. Babaji made the young man sit there and said, see, it's very harmful. You must leave sugar. Go, my blessings are with you. The lady was totally zapped. She said, Babaji, why did you waste these 14 days? You could have very easily spoken the same thing to my son on the very first day when we had come. Listen to his answer. Babaji said, when you brought your son, till then, I too was addicted to sugar. मैं भी तब तक बहुत चीनी खाता था. It was not possible to preach what I did not practice. Charity begins at home. So today, Babaji said, आज मैंने चीनी खानी छोड़ दी है, and today with authority I can tell your son never to have sugar. It's very harmful because now the voice comes from inside. Thus, whatever you want your child to be or to do, make sure in your day-to-day life he observes you, both of you, grandparents, your social circle, your way of talking on the phone, you're shouting at each other, you're speaking to each other very politely, and not using the abusive language here and there in front of your child, which we Punjabis are used to. That's one homework for you. Every day, Malvinder and Vidhi will be bringing you every now and then, like the timetable has been said, simple words and proverbs and idioms of English, in English, and in an awesome way, in a very creative way. Why don't you also learn? Why don't you make it a point that if the word today perturb is used, that in the evening you say, when you sit on the dining table, you again did not set your bed. I'm really perturbed over it. Okay? His son has gone for COVID test and she's looking quite perturbed today. No harm. Do you know you have never thought that beautiful proverb, slow and steady wins the race? Let your child go very slow with one idiom, one word, 2 pages a day, 4 pages a day, 5 pages a day, and the race will be won. Again, charity begins at home. Whatever your child has to do, please inject consistency in your child, regularity. I had read a beautiful quotation long time back. If you are doing anything with consistency, never ask anyone, will I be able to achieve success? Success is yours. Teach your children how Dhoni and Tendulkar or Kohli are made. Teach them how Sania Mirza, how PV Sindhu, how Saina Nehwal, how A.R. Rahman, how all these people are made. Tell them how, when they choose to sit in the AC now, people, those who have to play Ranji Trophy or India, at this moment in the sweltering heat, they are burning the midnight oil. They are sweating, they are perspiring. They simply live on water, on salads, on fruits, toil for 8 to 10 hours in the scorching heat, and then only कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है. Rome was not built in a day, my dear. Sitting here, I feel it has become my moral duty to build up the children of Bharatam. And you are the parents. Isn't it your moral duty when mothers are sitting idle at home, watching those silly serials all the time, inducing all kind of poison in the family, on the mind of the child? Watch, moderation. Give that time to your child. Make sure in the morning when your child has got up, just go and see whether he or she has made the bed or not. There is no need of scolding the child. Simply, bache, it doesn't look nice. Tomorrow you'll grow up, you'll be in a hostel, you'll have a roommate, you'll be in Australia, you'll be in Canada. Will it look nice that if your roommate is staying with you and you leave your bed or chappals or things like this? Go to the washroom when he has taken bath. Teach him how to even clean the taps. For sure. How to keep the things in an apple pie order. Groom them. I will share, which I keep narrating in all my workshops, number of times, this beautiful thing that I had read an article a couple of months back where a person went genuinely to a US author for a cup of coffee and he said, you are such a renowned writer, I just wish to ask you, I desire very strongly that my son must be a judge. What should I do? The author said, make him a good human being. No, if I want him to be a doctor, excellent doctor, make him a good human being. Okay, if I wish him to be very rich, make him a good human being. Make him a good human being. I'll ask you one thing. You're going to meet a police officer. There is always a fear on the mind if you have been called. But if somebody tells you inside that Mr. Parmar who sits inside, oh, what a man he is. He's a man of ethics. He's very honest. He doesn't take bribe. He'll look after you very well. With what confidence you enter, because a good human being is sitting inside. Similarly, there is one Mr. A, one Mr. B. You want to go for COVID test. About Mr. A, I tell you, don't go to him. He will fleece you. He will loot you. He will create problems purposely for you. If you are forced to go to him because the other doctor is not available, you go shuddering. But Mr. B, wonderful. If you will say you don't have money, he'll pay from his pocket. He'll look after you very well and this and that. With what aplomb, with what confidence you enter. Because a good human being is sitting in the chair. Chair is always made by the man. Teach your children 2 pages about Abdul Kalam, the man who did not even allow his real brother or relatives to have unpaid food in the President Hall. All gifts which came to him, he distributed to his employees. He was God. Tell them about Mother Teresa. Tell them about Nelson Mandela. Tell them about even Gandhi, about our gurus, about our sages, about our saints, Rabindranath Tagore, how Gitanjali brought us the laurels of a Nobel Prize. Because it was, what was the specialty of the book Gitanjali? It was written in such a simple language. Thus it was given a Nobel Prize and it was on nature. I know, passion, I have a passion for children. Trust me, nothing matters to me at all. When I am with a child, your entity, maybe you are a judge or an advocate or a DC or anything, it never makes any difference to me. And it should never make any difference to you also. You could be anything, but your child is in the hands of a guru. So don't brag about it, or don't come, forcing, imposing things on us that since I'm this, treat my child like this. Not at all. Not at all. I have seen the background where the best of the people would only and only listen to the teacher. Passion. I know you are right. I am also right. Passion can never be given to a child by force. It can never be imposed. Passion is either within or gifted. But if your child observes you, that whatever you do, even when my dad is doing gardening, he's so involved in it. he keeps his mobile aside. When my mom is cooking, she's baking a cake, or when my dad is reading the newspaper, or when he is listening to the news, he's riveted to the television. This brings the sense of responsibility in your child, sense of duty in your child. I will give you my example. I never in my life, even once, witnessed my father coming or going late anywhere. That bug has bitten me so much deep inside that I can't recall if anyone listening to me can say that I had given an appointment, or I had to be at 10 there, I had to be at this time. I think I will always be there half an hour before the given time. This way you are respecting the other party also who is waiting for you. Teach your child this. Passion will automatically come. Whatever your child is doing, leave him free. एक और बात in between. For these vacation, except the homework that your child has to listen to, मैं हिंदी में कहूँगा, अपने बच्चों के मोबाइल वापस ले लो. बहुत जीना पड़ रहा है आपके बच्चे को मोबाइल के साथ. ये ना कहो कि for this much time you can use the mobile. Only when Bharatam work is being given or the video has been recorded, you can listen to it. Otherwise, keep them away from all these inorganic components. Let them sometimes breathe under the trees. Let them sometimes sit with the grandmother. ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਕਹੂੰਗਾ, ਕਦੀ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਮਦਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਘੁੱਟੋ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਸਾਜ ਕਰੋ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ, ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਫਾਦਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੋ, ਮਦਰ ਫਾਦਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਚਨ 'ਚ ਜਾਓ. be of substantial use to your family members, rather than all the time playing that PUBG and that those what we used to call those birds and this and that, whatever. Okay, please. Eyes, not only it will be a loss to the eyes, it will be a loss to the neurological veins also. Please, बिल्कुल अपने बच्चे के लैपटॉप आवर्स, टीवी आवर्स and mobile hours must be in your hand. Don't allow your children to be your mother and father. One fine day at the age of 25 or 26, he suddenly will give the bell and say, I am settled in life now, and she stands next to me, and you'll cut a sorry figure because you had given them undue leverage. No, they are your children. How come till 5 you used to tell them not more than one chocolate? Even at 8 you used to shout not more than one chocolate. But suddenly when you became 15, 14, you stopped saying and you start getting scared. Dad, I need this mobile only. I need this car only. No, there should never be a peer pressure. Never. Let them grow, let them earn, let them feel the pains, the struggle of life. One night the electricity, the power goes off. You just see the condition of the child, how without AC the child flutters. What about you and me? I don't say you afford, use the AC for round the clock, but tell them to fight in the face of eventuality, in the face of odds, in the face of challenges. Life belongs to those who know how to fight. There could be a strike suddenly when your child is just 25, 26. He sits in the industry, you are not around, let's say, and there is a strike. He must know how to fight. He should not undergo depression and should think of, now I cannot live. It's over. Be so friendly that your son or daughter, they never go under depression. You know why they undergo depression? Because they have no shoulder to cry on. If you have a shoulder to cry on, outside I have lost all my property, or somebody has very badly knocked down my car, but here's my dad who will listen to me, and when I go to him and I tell him, and he will say, son, what is gone, let bygones be bygones. And here you are. The more friendly, especially in this present scenario, you are with your son or daughter, the more they will disgorge the things to you, vomit out the things in front of you, making their bosom light. Give them a light life. That's your duty. Little bit of reading, even if the child is small. Even you will say, sir, I will give you example. A mother has been posting. If you want, it can be posted. It will be posted on the Facebook from Khanna only. She has posted her son and daughter having learnt all 29 states and capitals. One of my students, Agam, he has learnt all 29 states and capitals. The other boy has done all CMs. Parents' efforts. Why don't you also do it? Man, 5 minutes a day. Listen to the example. Your child sits on the table with you or is walking with you, goes for a walk. Be prompt, pace up. Don't look around here and there. Concentrate on your job. Keep giving these little things to bring them up. And one fine day they will be a complete human being, accomplished. You just look at one person who is sitting in front of you without any conceit or bragging or hubris. Look at the kida in my brain for your children. I'm dying every minute to give something or the other to your child with no ulterior motive. What can I get from you? I won't be even meeting 95% of you, even if I happen to stay there for very long. But there is so much fire in the belly, aag andar aag, कि I must be able to give the best to my children. उनको लता मंगेशकर सुनवाओ, उनको मोहम्मद रफ़ी सुनवाओ, मन्ना डे जी सुनवाओ, किशोर कुमार सुनवाओ. They were the legends. जगजीत सिंह को सुनवाओ, who was a trendsetter after Begum Akhtar in ghazals. Music and sports will never let a human being feel bored for a minute, even if you are sitting for one complete year without any work. मेहंदी हसन साहब सुनवाओ, गुलाम अली साहब सुनवाओ, फरीदा खानम सुनवाओ, इकबाल बानो सुनवाओ. Why? So that they know what their roots are, what ghazals are, what singing is. I know you must be laughing that why a child at the age of 4 or 5 should listen to Lata Mangeshkar. ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हमेदार एंथम संग बाय लता मंगेशकर. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों which brought tears to the eyes of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was sung by Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is one such singer who on every birthday is called up by the Prime Minister and the President of the country to be congratulated. इंडिया की होंद हैं ये लोग, जिनके बिना हम एवरी मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम द टेम्पल्स सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, ईश्वर सत्य है, सत्य ही शिव है, शिव ही सुंदर है, जागो उठकर देखो जीवन ज्योत उजागर है. वाओ 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 लता. वन फील्स, इफ यू आस्क मी सर इन योर लाइफ टाइम डिड गॉड ट्रेड ऑन द अर्थ, आई विल से यस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मोहम्मद रफ़ी. ओ दुनिया के रखवाले सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले. What all he did not. You name one song of Rafi in which he doesn't deserve 100 out of 100. Allow your children. Let their horizon be widened from music to cricket to badminton to chess to respect to the parents and society and this and that. Why not? बच्चे को कभी टोकना पड़े तो टोको. हम सब टोकने से बड़े हुए हैं. पेरेंट्स की आवाज़, माँ बाप की आवाज़, ये मत कर, इस समय मत जा, रात को टाइम पे घर आ. Up to an extent, when your child will go to Australia or will study in Mumbai and Delhi, he'll be a freelance bird. And let her be. Whatever vagaries of life will come, let him or her face that. I repeat, if till the age of 10 or 12 your child is made to touch the feet of the parents or grandparents every morning, I can bet it that in his rest of his life he will never insult you because he knows the value of the parents. उत्साह दो बच्चों को, एंथुजियाज्म दो, हौसले बढ़ाओ उनके. So what? Tell them there was never a traffic jam in this world which lasted for 2 years. Tell them there was never a problem since the inception of humanity which still is perpetuating, जो आज भी चल रही है. Tell them there was no disease ever which did not find its cure eventually. Tell them out of them only there was a fellow who set foot on the space. Out of us only there was a fellow who broke the record of the Olympics in athletics. There was one fellow out of us only who swam the English Channel in one go. There was a fellow out of us only who became PV Sandhu. That's it. It's in your hands. And I'm about to wind up. Their brains will never go without reading. And I will challenge you for one more thing. From tomorrow on the Facebook, the kind of videos which are going to be posted for the growth of your child, you will compare it with any damn school of the country. I challenge in all my senses. Please post the example and write on Facebook. If your children do not obey you, I have experienced it in my previous school where the parents used to come because my bond had been strengthened so well with them. Sir, my child doesn't leave the mobile. Sir, she keeps the mobile in her pillow and she doesn't know that her father is listening to her till 12 o'clock at night when she's talking to someone. I used to be a conduit, a catalyst. I used to call the... You don't know what bonding the children enjoy with me. आपको पता ही नहीं आपके बच्चे मुझे किस कदर प्यार करते हैं. आपकी नज़र में मैं एक सिंपल टीचर भी हो सकता हूँ, मामूली सा एक, ठीक है जी, आपकी नज़र में ये कोई प्रोफेशन नहीं, मेरी नज़र में ये प्रोफेशन भगवान है, भगवान, इन विच आई एम शेपिंग अप लिटिल लाइफ्स इनटू वंडरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग. बहुत बना आया हूँ मैं. 35 साल में आप सोचो कितने बच्चे कहाँ कहाँ बैठे होंगे. एंड सिंगल चाइल्ड इज नॉट देयर हु इज नॉट इन टच विद मी एट द मोमेंट. ओके, respect you all, definitely respect you all. Last, what I want to tell you is, I'll take another 2 minutes. I think I've consumed roughly 27 minutes. Hardly matters to me because you can always listen to it in bits and pieces. What I was about to talk. Yes. The most important lesson for your child in life is which will keep him always strong with his head up and spine up, chin up, खुददारी, self-esteem. English में एक saying है, don't throw away all the vanity, pride. Keep some to live by. Keep some to live by. बच्चे को खुददारी दो, बच्चे को self-esteem दो. जने खने के आगे जाके झुकना, यही करनी, चमचागिरी करनी, सिकोफेंट होना, will kill his inner, will kill his soul. And mind you, a person who is talented, a person who is conscientious, a person who knows his job well, will never unnecessarily yield in front of people. Your child will be going for a job, maybe PCS, maybe IS, maybe DSP, maybe inspector, maybe sub-inspector, maybe in business. Tomorrow he will be going to the people in SAIL, SAIL, and here and there. Give him a lot of self-esteem. A person with self-esteem will always be very confident. I can bet it. खुददारी दो उसको, ज़रा बात के लिए उसको लोगों के आगे ये मत सिखाओ. Seeking favors, taking gifts from people unnecessarily. If he takes, teach him to give also. That's it. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में आपको ईमानदारी से एक बात आपसे शेयर करूँगा, because I'm a living example. I don't want to quote people. I have never means never. Even for a plum job worth lakhs, I would never ever yield in front of anybody at all. As and when I would find that I was right and I was not being given the way, I would always respectfully quit. My entire history is full of this. First school, out. Second school, out. Third school, out. People used to tell me, your resume is becoming very weak day by day. I said, man, fine. I don't have to keep people happy कि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत ना जाए रहना. हम लोग हैं, हम किसको छोड़ते हैं जी? A leader is doing this, then he is good. He is not doing this is bad. If he is doing that, that is bad. If doing we are we. Okay, gossip mongers. Thus, give him or her a lot of self-respect. The ball is in your court. School is only there for 8 periods a day. Yes, I will say that teachers are the builders of the nation. If the teachers will do well, if the principal will do well, if I'll do well, there's no way that, but on the contrary, if the child goes from school complacent, full of etiquettes, full of peace, full of tranquility of mind, at the moment he opens the door, you're shouting at your wife, or the wife is shouting back at the husband, or there is a ruckus in the family, the same thing the child will pick up. Groom the child well. It's wrong to say life is very short. Modern life is till 80, 75, 77, 70. He or she will be without you one day. Teach him or her to fight, to be a good fighter. Take due care. Instill the habit of reading, instill the habit of regular exercise in your child, so that from एक जाते जाते छोटी सी और स्टोरी बड़ी प्यारी दिमाग में आई. I was not prepared. A foreigner came to visit Indian geographical scene around, and he happened to reach where there were 100 or 200 elephants tied up somewhere to the tether. Tether कहने आपका ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖੁੰਡਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ we tie cows and tether. He was very surprised and he went to the owner Malik. कहते यार एक बात बता, इतनी छोटी छोटी रस्सियों से तुमने इतने बड़े बड़े एलिफेंट्स को, एनिमल्स को बांध रखा है, don't they run away? Listen to the answer for you parents. His answer was, when they were very small, we simply gave them mental training of tying them to the tether with these little ropes. Till date they are old, even they feel that these ropes are holding on to them. Mental conditioning. Exercise at the age of 3. What will you will say, sir, at the age of 3 what can my child do? Go up, come down, go upstairs, come down, a little bit of push up, a little bit of jogging, a little bit of stretching, okay, and that's it. Deep breathing in the morning. Lungs very, very badly need. This lesson will be coming up by Indrajit to you. My teachers are enthusiastically waiting for tomorrow. Somebody with recipes, somebody with current topics, somebody with GK. But now I leave it to you how much you are ready to receive. And if you don't receive, write it in golden words. You have words. You have already written the failure story of your child. If in these 30 days you take this homework casually, or say I care hoots, this all is there in the books. Make hay while the sun shines. Behti Ganga mein haath dho lo. Again, make hay while the sun shines. God bless you. You may feel anything. You may say anything. What was the need of this video? We already knew this. Nothing. I know how much time you people have, all parents have one major feeling on the mind. Oh, I am financing my child. Mere financing is of no support to your child. Respect me, value me. That here is a person in India who's sitting at home is restless that how must I reach my children. Whatever you know, you definitely know 1,000 times better than your child. Disgorge. Give that to your child. Sometimes take your child for a ride. Sometimes take your child for a walk. Sometimes take your child for squash. Sometimes take your child for jogging. Let him feel he has a friend in you. She has a friend in you. God bless you. And with all ingenuity, stay all healthy. Stay all blissful. May all the beatific blessings of that Lord Almighty fall on you day and night, and may we all meet each other with a smile, without any grouse, without any grumbling, and God bless. Wishing you and your children very, very happy holidays. Whenever your child doesn't obey you, phone speaker on करो, को करो जी PK सर से बात. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा बच्चा कैसे मुझे मानता है. जहां बच्चा आपका अड़े, जहां आपको तंग करे, करो जी PK सर से बात. He is my child. There's a feeling here. There's a feeling here that he is my or she is my child. जब तक रिश्ता है बढ़िया है जी. जब नहीं रहेगा, जब चले जाएंगे, आप अपनी जगह होगे, मैं अपनी जगह होगा, that'll be different. Blessings and take care.